This tutorial will show you how to delete Safari history on iPhone completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step is to delete your Safari history completely for free. It's to open up Safari. This works for Mac and iPhone devices. Now in this case I have a couple different tabs open and I want to clear out both of these histories. You want to type in the following right here, settings, and then basically open up your settings tab. And then now basically you want to scroll down to pull up the search bar, and in the search bar you want to type in Safari. Click the second option, which is above autofill and below Apple ID iCloud, which says Safari. Now you want to scroll down to the bottom hand screen or towards the middle until you get and see this option, which is above share across devices and below check for Apple Pay, clear history and website data. And as you click on it, you have two options: to clear the history and data or to click cancel. You can even read this right here because it will remove your history, cookies, and other browsing data. In this case, we want to clear our history and data. Now this will ask you if you want to close all of your tabs in Safari or keep your tabs in Safari. It's up to you, you choose. As we can see, we've now successfully cleared history and website data. If we go back to Safari, as you can see, no tabs are open, completely for free.